look at that. Like, hey guys, I'm back with another video. I was just in the middle of filming, so I decided to just do 2 videos in one go. So hence you'll see that I'm wearing the same type of clothes like in one day and the same hairstyles. So this is an unboxing video. I received this handbag from Teddy Blake, New York. I'm not into handbags, like seriously, but when this company approached me, I was just like, oh my god. When I checked their website, their Instagram, their pictures there are just like so amazing, and I was like, I'm intrigued. I want to try the handbags, like seriously. So yeah, they did send me a handbag, and I'm gonna insert all the details in the description box down below, as well as a coupon code for you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what this handbag looks like. I haven't opened it, so I really don't know what it looks like, but I have an idea because obviously I'm the one who chose this handbag. So yeah, so it comes in a box like I've shown you guys, well packaged and well labeled, Teddy Blake, New York. And the handbag comes wrapped up in this nice wrapper, okay, just to protect your handbag. Wow, that's all I can say. Look at that, baby, look at that. Like, so this is the KT 14 inches, and look at that. I went for the bigger bag because, you guys, I'm a mom, you know, I got 3 boys, so I want a handbag that is most suitable as a mommy bag, like a bag that you can go out with the children. I need some wipes, I'll need all the hand sanitizers, I need loads of things in there for my children, like including snacks as well. Look how big this handbag is. It is pretty big, and I just love the detail of the handbag. The quality is just amazing, guys. The design itself is just beautiful, and I absolutely chose the black color because I thought black goes with everything. Like, it goes with many outfits. You can never go wrong with a black handbag. You can wear anything and you can match it up with a black handbag, so this handbag will be very, very ideal. This handbag is also suitable for like going to work. I could see myself going to work with this handbag, going to church. I absolutely look for how strong the handbag is because I love handbags that are pretty strong. So I look for a handbag that is like very, very strong. The material has to be strong and, you know, quality. I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys, and show you what the inside of this bag looks like. You need to just turn this knob here, so it's like clockwise and up to here. It looks like this, and then you just go ahead and open it. So this bag is very, very secure because you will definitely lock it up like that, so you can actually tell if someone is about to go in your bag, because really it doesn't show the contents, what you're carrying in your bag. It is absolutely sealed, so people won't be able to see what is inside the bag or whatever you're carrying. And I love that it is very, very steady. This is all the things that's in the bag. So this is very, very handy to protect your bag from dust and everything like that. Let's say you've got like a handbag closet. Okay, I don't have one, but yeah, you can actually keep it in a in this accessory and put it away. Or let's say you're traveling, you want to keep it nice and safe, you can actually use this accessory. The bag also comes with the strap, the accessory. Sometimes I don't want to carry my handbag like this, I want to carry it on my shoulder or over my shoulder. Oh, it does come with another accessory. Like, seriously, guys, how cool is this? I didn't even know this thing was included. Like, wow, look at that. Just gonna see if this works or it's just like a design. Oh wow, it actually works. Like, I've unlocked it. Like, seriously. Oh, this is so good. Like, I was telling you guys about security, like to keep your things secure. Oh my god, this is just fantastic. Like, I've actually attached my key right here. Still need to figure out how to fix this one on. Bear with me, but I'm just gonna show you how big this handbag is. Like, so the inside of the bag is like suede-ish, like suede or fox leather. Like, this is just pretty, and it does have another compartment here and a pocket right here. So I'm sorry guys, I've been struggling to hook this, so you can attach the strap here and the other one at the front right here. I was like struggling right here. So it comes like engraved here with the name Teddy Blake, as well as the engraved like this little accessory right here. Like seriously, how good is this bag? This bag is like heavy. You can actually tell that this is made from quality like leather. So you guys, if you want to check out some nice cool handbags, please do visit www.teddyblack.com. They have a wide range of handbags and they come in all different colors and shapes, and like seriously for every occasion. I didn't want to overload this bag, you guys, but you can see what's in my bag right here. Okay, I've got my baby's tablet, I've got his wipes, my makeup bag, I got my wallet, I've got my perfume in there, a vlogging camera in there. Like seriously, that's how big the bag is. Like look at that, you can actually fit everything in there. I can see myself using this handbag like over and over again. Like seriously, it's gonna be one of my most loved handbags. Okay, it is just a good quality handbag. So yeah, make sure you guys check www.teddyblack.com. They do have a wide range of handbags, different colors, different sizes. They suit every occasion. Like seriously guys, you go and check them out, and you know, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you own one of the Teddy Black's handbags, or if you generally love handbags. Okay guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.